Find how much you can borrow. That's the first phase for us. You can do that on our online calculator. So if you go on to www.castleviewfinance.com, there's affordability calculator on there where you can put in your details and it will give you an outside look at what roughly you can borrow. So that's a good place to start. That gives you an opportunity then to go and view properties in your budget, in your price range. Also, you can speak to the estate agent so they know what you're looking for and start building up that picture. Once you've decided what you like and what you found, and you found that property of dreams, you can make that offer, which is a calculative offer. It means you know you can move forward with what you've got in front of you. Come back to us. We'll then tie in the lending once your offer is accepted with the estate agent, and we'll then take you down the process, support you along the way with conveyancing, surveys, and just understanding the process start to finish. So there'll be a lot of questions from lenders, but we can help you with that. That's our job. From that process, getting those keys in your hand and moving forward to the home of your dreams, hopefully.